lovely holly tree. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's alright. Lovely day here, as you can see. So today, just at one of my regular jobs, not one I've filmed at before, but I've just asked them if it's alright and they're quite happy with that. So I thought I'd show you somewhere a bit different. It's actually next door to another one that I have filmed at. Anyway, got this olive tree here. Gonna give it a little trim up in a minute. I've got the lawns to do. I won't film all of that because there's quite a lot and you don't want to watch me cutting grass the whole time, I don't think, do you? Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong on that one, but anyway, so we've got the olive tree to trim up, which I will do in a minute. And also there's some tidying up in the back, which I shall hopefully get to. Some weeding, and there's a load of ivy and stuff that needs pulling out, so which is something I've been doing and I'm going to carry on doing that. So anyway, I am going to stop talking and get on. so there we go. That's all done. Grass is all done. All nice and tidy. I mean, I guess probably not to everyone's liking. Everyone's got different ideas. Some people like things looking a bit more natural. Other people like it looking a bit more formal and neat. So anyway, I'll take you around the back and show you what we've been doing around there. Okay, welcome to the back garden. On the grass, as you can see, and I will take you down the bottom. I've been working down in the far corner down there, so I'll take you down and show you what he's up to down there. Okay, so I'm down in the bottom corner here. Basically, we had a lot of ivy all over the ground in here, and I've been slowly clearing it. I'll take you in here. So yeah, basically this is what I need to carry on. Lots of ivy. So yeah, it's basically been so much to do in the garden, just haven't had a chance to get down in the borders there, and the ivy's slowly taken over. I mean, it was right up, you can see where it was growing up the tree here, so I cleared all this last time, big patch here, but yeah, there's a whole load more here to do, so I'll do a little bit more today. Okay, so I'm just going to clear around the base of this conifer tree. You see we've got all sorts of things have grown up under here that shouldn't be here, including the ivy. We've got a lovely holly tree. Pull that out, there we go. Lovely holly tree. And there's a wild iris growing there. Don't really want that there. And the ivy's even starting to creep up the trunk here. There we go. So, I've been doing this garden for quite a while now. Did it for the previous people that lived there. They were here about 8 years, and we actually laid the garden out, planted all these borders, made the borders and planted them, as it was just mainly lawn when they came here, with a few shrubs around the outside, but nothing special. So me and a family friend who was a gardener at the time. We sorted the borders out, and they chose the plants, and we laid them out and planted them all, and mulched the borders. Yeah, they were here 8 years. I think I've been doing it for the people that are here currently about 11 years, roughly. Scary, isn't it, when you think about it? So yeah, so I've kind of seen this garden from scratch, really. So yeah, it's a nice garden though. Just unfortunately, there's a few bits that have gotten a bit out of hand over the past few years. You know, things grow and you run out of time to tidy them up as much as you'd like. Yeah, they're slowly trying to get the borders re-mulched with some fresh stuff. So we decided to give them a good sort out and a weed through, clear out all the ivy and everything, so that we could start fresh. Yeah, basically. There we go. There's a load of stuff in it. Okay, just grabby, right. So there we go. That's cleared all that out. Nice, there's still some in the back there, and some more over there. But yeah, this was all full of stuff. So yeah, I'm just slowly working my way through. So yeah. I'm a little bit wary because I know we do get a few adders and things around the woods and places around here. I've seen them before, so it always makes me a little bit wary when I'm scrabbling around on the ground. But I have been told that they're more scared of you than you are of them. So I think they tend to scarper if they hear you coming. So, but I do see them around occasionally. One of my other jobs I do near here, I tend to see them in the spring. You know, I found their when they shed their skin and that, I found their, you know, the skins that they've shed. Of course, what we get here every year is hundreds of ash trees growing from the woods, which is always a right pain because you can't really pull them out till that sort of size and you can grab hold of them properly, because they have a good sized root on them and they don't take long to start getting established. There's a few under here that have obviously been there a couple of years. There you go, there's a big one up, it's got to have been there 2 or 3 years. Yeah, look at that. The thing is, they grow up almost without you noticing them to start with, in amongst the shrubs and trees and that down there. Okay everyone, right, that's gonna just about wrap up this video for today. That's a little insight into a garden I've not filmed at before. So like I say, I asked them if they mind and they don't mind, so should be some more videos coming from here shortly. I will probably not be doing the grass much longer, so what I tend to do then is concentrate on going around the borders. There's plenty of trimming up and stuff. Yeah, trimming up all these conifers and things later on. Yeah, loads to do. And as you can see, I've still got clearing along all the ivy and stuff down there. So yeah, and I think she's just about to get on to the forestry people about this. Not sure whether this ash tree's died back with the ash dye back. And it's leaning right over the garden anyway. Anyway, starting to ramble again. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying the videos. Yeah, I think that's about it. Hope everyone has a good weekend, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks everyone for watching. Just gonna make my way out of the jungle here.